Mizinzi Robert Adamati.
Tiye the oyes papa. Bazina osho crime. Ma ye will keep close as a no the team as a boy.
I Kamadasi. Meda one of washing soon in a Madam as the William Bra or the Shin. Timye Yaza or the phone. I was once a footballer. Na Mushe or a yabo na yamping Fibu 1 and 2 and I see. Na yamping Fibu 1 and 2 and I see what your team know the challenges I will face. But me and your bononi and 2 and I see. Today we enter football. Na azo shem crying kasi them pedemi football team here. Cape Coast hana mfi. Na mushe Cape Coast ano munde yensheda yi professional players. Na mushe challenges are over ma ehwe other regions na. Munde when your players bebre a even in national team even outside the country our boy 81. But the bush man in who Cape Coast players. And your cup footballs nankasa Cape Coast no study. Ehwe business drafts are we produce praise bebre. Ye bubu binum mimuto yimano sekufo Bernard White on hin Canadian Nigeria Cape Coast business dress no manufacture them place in here Esha Vipers yet see senior place be like Nimonum Nazi senior bent abam hin Kennedy KDK num Nazi yet it one but young national players be our problem to that time young started here bano yenya wiki so many film yenya Anthony Annan but others no I feel you baby offer but before you bear the mazin you to form your feather oh I haven't Cape Coast in hands yenny national players damn there is about to Yajondo is about to Yakumodo no matter what no audience you produce players way and some start them say or better ko Rashid Smaila is once a national player was started maybe Manuel Jipa because more there once we get a national mindset to produce players no you able to ya the mazano nti odamak mo de o de gwe ha yenya boys a where wobutum I force one na wobutum wa ye adwuma no na wobutum ya kwen because excuse me to say there's some people who they need encouragement. We have to psych them because footballers, you know, they have challenges, they have their own problems and family issues, that kind of stuff. So without psyching them, you know, they cannot come out. So challenges in Binyan and I am the part of many and painful some they are psyching the boys. And see, you good that at least young the Cape Coast or then your national players home or then your professional players home. I don't know seasonal breaker. They bomb the boy if you fan of Cape Coast. You fan of Cape Coast. Damn na so ye pede ye and my Cape Coast so your professional players and my chrono so way to point. Because na young there football will develop a crew. Football will bring unity. Football brings love. So without football no, the community becomes stagnant. Nti ye pompai na ye da teacher today nyame omama adom no why kase ma ye nya professional players be fi Cape Coast aso insani aza mututuma akoma dem pedamie
me no papa o the great in the area oyeze financial problem issues so hot then in your support to yin payful ho another between man or the twon ho e hono so hot then or you need o is kasa papa
yeah always some poison financial years in papa seriously you will be more editing when you there pray the mazano 1 month and ye or say a betting can but one thing that in life you know we don't depend on humanity but we bring human together. Challenges you know poison especially when it comes to financial status it's very bad because you won't pay people when you want to one respond in Campono on ye. But once I that nation there no day, getting challenges. Even one breakfast after so or there one soap to wash down that kind of stuff. All these things are one of the challenges we are facing. And we have been talking to people, still talking to people. Obi bada or pedal bobo oba ano pay ma onhiana sana or the but it shouldn't be so. one thing that if you have future, if you have the future plans, if you have the vision for the team, the aim, you will not think about getting it first. Because once you're talented, na epade bona dream the future, dream that you men dream sisian ho. See dream sisian one will not go anywhere. But you dream that you hono. Nyimpa no anyimfa no roko. Especially when you see some people, the background they are coming from, it's very hard to transform them. But yes, you have to transform them. So you don't have to think about what you get first, but rather let them know that yes, they have the potential, they have the talent. So when they get there, things will be fine. See, financial challenges. No, well, yes, we are facing. And see, you could even some people are coming from afar. What about or they on transport? What could fear but you're supporting you, baby. But we are still talking to people there. At least it will touch their heart to come and help. Especially the UTV, and you wanna kasa. UTV, they are helping us a lot, especially when it comes to video coverage. They are here with us, and we know that all these things will go far. So, thank you. Minye beefy Cape Coast, minye beefy Ekwan, minye beefy Brafio, and it's a broad thing that we are doing. This is the first phase of the program, and the second phase we will be starting from secondary schools, and the third phase we go to JHS, and from there we go to the primary schools. So the first phase we are not yet done. This is the first phase. See, we are still scouting for players. We are send some people to Asinfosu to gather some players, and we are still on it. You go do villages, because most of villages is no players or see now the one challenge that we are facing the the house. We need a house to hospitalize them, so we are still on it. Baby able to and see now no you need to Cape Coast, Ekwan, then Brafio and around us in you could the Mazan.
We Shazim as a man,
my Shazim with team the Mahode Yen Timono Obo Premiership. Now, Premiership or Bono on Yanum Kutino hen, but even one day, Yen placing before one man and ya Obotun Waba and Wabobwa in Kafonusa Warhan. And the team itself is registered under the ministry, and the church is Mizpah Divine Prayer Ministries, funded by Reverend Dr. Robert Edamati, and the team is also founded by Reverend Dr. Robert Edamati. And on your mankutin, there's a people around me. I'm not a boss, I'm just a leader. So the people around me, I seek advice from them. I say, being a leader, you need advice. You have to seek. As the Bible says, we should seek. So we seek advice. Free baby, because boss always want it to be right, but leaders always seek from others. And see, I'm just a leader. And see, Damna, Oti. Okay, since I'm actually age, you started from 15 years, 15 above, and some are old players, but what band teams will be or reject one. But what band one performance I was a band on year, but since I know every day, football is about psychology, because you'll be what the person is going through. It is uncycling on to me, man. It's the age, if you want agents only there, but only be my own cycle of football, the one that on to me. So age wise, it started from around 15 upwards.
Right, good morning. And also I was in the premier here to me abba. And there baba can upgrading some football and Sansan baba be more fear. You should football, I bear football can so or Managana. na kyara abakɔsɛm pii na yɛtumi atwerɛ 19 centuries na football ɔtum no ɔbɔ ɔyɛ Ghana 1896 na yɛbɔ ɔmadze yɛho no dɛ the first football match wɔtum no wɔabɔ no ɔyɛ Ghana sisia ndɛ yɛfrɛ no ɔyɛ Gold Coast 1904 na first football club wɔtum wɔtewe na efi wɔtum hyɛ ase wɔtum dwuma ɔyɛ Accra Hearts of Oak yɛkɔ 1910 football gained no ho hyehyɛ no ho nkwa no bahina no to ɔtum hyɛ ase wɔyɛ Esuantemantom ɛyɛ kyerɛ dɛ yɛkɔ 1957 Ghana Football Association GFA was established 1958 na wo joining oya FIFA ma wo sha say the Confederation of African Football oya CAF wo sha say wotum na wodzi oya hono djuma ye ko oya 1963 Ghana national theme oya Black Star na wo sha say the wotum wodzi djuma ma obo oya first and I win first Africa Cup wotum ko ohenayim 1965 na Ghana wo hosti oya African Cup of Nation oya Ghana ha na chede Ghana yehwe oya ball oya akensi ne dwumeza ya kwenyin papa na so ibu incorporation hinechira ana ball dwumeza no ya kwenyin ya san hinechiri emu atuma aba ye hu de ye produce oya mpenfu pia butum boboa me yetumi akwenyin ma ya mina dum nda na pay hinsa kan oya Reverend Robert Ademate oya fie ha oya Quick Vision Football Club ana zo to share no dwumeda si achar papa nti yakwa akohwe de ana ofibere tubere dwumeza otum ozin na ahin orboa nnazema wotum abo hon ayefro kwekudo na abadwumedi so na sisiara ɔhono daachi ɔpɛyin na adamate mo akwa abadwuma hino
iya hino wa
mopacho apo miyezi
yesu na dum
yo papa ɔpɛyin adamate yanhwe warankisa ahyahye bɔbɔ ne bi ansa na ba beto ɔyɛ club yi ana na bɔ ne bi amabi kra
odzikan medase na meda ahwefo na etiefu nyara se damakonya ya Costa TV wazamami bono odzikan mu bobi ye bobi ko yenyim kakra ye ansana nyame frebema yedi footballim na Mr. Tino mishaso wo oya Duas Babies na Mr. Timo bobo nti yefi Duas Babies no na mukobo Inter Atlantic oya second division bia Watson was upon numu na mezi start secondary school oya Adisade College na Vipers wo huma wo fam na mo Vipers nti Vipers numu no mezi wie school na Samatex Football Club wo beba fam mezi fiwo mezi ba secondary Azakes nti secondary Azakes numu no ohwa na wa ma Bolon ibi wa Cote d'Ivoire na maba ibi wa Benin na maba ansa na mudi wie me contractor me several Azakes no mudi save ya mudi to control South Africa ansa na me try some koko Benin mobo team kakra ho no me san sum kro Mozambique na efreiba ma mudi football ma mudi ye nyamedwuma na me be hye team ya si no mu de adeno wo ye mu na egua so ye wo players bebre ho a woni aboafo ntim do tuma akoma do de damza talented players na wano yansi ebafo na yaje atete hon anoma medinya akwanya na enyija medi hye dem dwumedi ase
eja adamate yehwe ebu nkopo na hwewechi na fiti demabiri abobo egbe oborbo na ebohwe oye nde mmiri a ya ho keka oborbom na hia no moto oborbom orkwanyi ma na resa henechi
obutum wade ye kwanyi obutum wade ye san yechi because oye nsam bebre ehwe yentam na ye bobo no na ye de hwe nda na mu nde ensesa bebre wabam osande mu hwe yentam na sanka wo fra national team pa wo fra oye local players bi na was the match those coming from outside osande ye hwe even crampo John Sateko friendly time kra me ka dem brima players wo from no kra was the boy a woni Nigeria ye kra ka hye won no na one professional player Stephen Apia in Kenya na we local boys Hearts of Oak kotoko na omeji one go boy but in there so bobo na yenhu local boys biawo and I can see that we are lacking a lot in football. When it comes to football we are lacking a lot, especially Ghana in Zimbabwe na year you if you bowl them or send the grooming now they grooming local boys no what to if you see we are dependent on foreign players And Mikades actually fallen base players now. That's what Bana Bob African born. They find difficulties because of one weather. Mikade time mifi South Africa mebeya. And I'm here na kakra na marbe na me say denti na ya menya dam insunsun mu hunde weather no is not favoring me when you come to yen weather wa hade. Nti ehwe yen bobo na insem bebre na all koda all the GFA must step up and do something meaningful for the country.
Right, GFA must step up doing something meaningful for the country. My answer in the same name, bra, or Quick Vision Football Club. Aba fine to metwe, dom do no hin so to mo hwanse, na ehwe hwan no motu hona ho keka wo ye dwumezimetre.
Medasi biom. Quick Vision Football Club no quite recently na yetu team no. Na team no we registered the team under the Ministry of Mespa Divine Prayer Ministry. Asora Medano. Na yezi ko register and yezi asonism ko register na why there. Just say yes a team no. So we have to go and buy a new club. Na yezi ko to Quick Vision Football Club. Nti yeto Quick Vision Football Club no. Recently ye started the ye groom boys no. Yesha so no 2024 year ana yesha dem akwenye yase. Nti yenya yewo mafama wonya sa be 26 even 26 and that's the team we wanted to register them for now no because project meye no first phase, second phase and the third phase. And the first phase in Uhana Manuan Ashasi. From then we'll move to secondary schools because yan time no na we pick prayers pepe if secondary schools in the muhunde or you if you ho. And the secondary schools no we go there and pick another prayers. From there we come to JHS, from there then we go to primary school. And so Vishna or Quick Vision Football Club no yepede ye.
Yo dam notice that if you from Ebdonu Esia and hu djumea she said to me that one ye share communication effective one, ye share the relationship, ye share the gestures and posted. When we talk about gestures and posted, ye share them from na eboko training 5 a.m. eboko training 5:30 or then you be 4:30 to me ba. The gestures and posted the time am from otumo zaba ano otumo ye djuma akona ba for otumo akasa acha wono coach na coach wono na akasa chira otumo ti ye share them aje ba say the oye djuma
Udumbima ibi oyejuma you find difficulties when because grooming people coming from different places in oyazan especially one time frame no oyazan but yen would adibia eshasa oyazan nkakrankanzi yazin nkakrankanka and when we started with discipline more there nzama or dandan nkankranka oreba yehwe baby a one fee na one communication no adandan osande ebehwe bia ofi excuse to say bia ekwan ebia ombo team bi da ebia ofi bia brafo ye ebia ombo team da na aikafa na eteten da ombramba bobo no so moti nti adandan na nkakranka and the coaches so menyon ye adwuma no they are all old players nti once what's born asi nti communication with them no is very effective, very effective. Yehu de bibia kodo challenges kakra yenye anyi time ibi wa time ananka so ozibaba no once born asin ye na ye
for the challenges may hold on now we'll talk about it. Okay. Right. Reverend, my answer be in terms of footballing and education. My from can be a community as a akwan ebe ho fi wotumara ba akwan meje kuro man ti say ye ko hine papa and say yen hwe dem from one participation wo ko school ba anara wo school kura wo ye adwuma anara wo ye adwuma kura anara wo company bia de bia wo ho a wotum na etete won masisi wo ko ho nanyim.
Okay, for now no yenya a camping place for them and bibrim so wo schools and say time no you share there at least 6:30 in start training, but 8:30 in the close. Until those they are in school, no, we have seek permission for them because classes now because we start at 8:30 9. Until yapon one time I'm on work school so work school, and I been so how way ejuma one kasa way when ejuma. Until one so you can for that young one a communicative for, until school for no utum wabe training na work school, and one so wolf so you been me ejuma, no so. Yefado yehu kwana yefada yenwan ye communicate
Yansane yenhwaji bi de ebi oroko school ebi orehwe adwuma na ahono so hanso wotum yeja put them together bosom na ebi oroko school no awoda wotum yenko ntaa kakra wotum adenanto ahia na yetum ye adwuma emda amrobo ball ya na me ye adwuma ezi bosom so butu amka na ebi so onko bi kura no da menza meno so sire na wosom oya Quick Vision Football Club.
And also, I want to challenges in be and so there's something in place. Every morning, we give them breakfast. Every morning, breakfast, and all the Fridays we have to give them washing soap, and we are doing that. We still need the helping hand because Juma Oyazen, Moon the Mankuti Moon to me. Always say that I'm just a leader. I'm not a boss. So we need people to come, and you to me, them Juma, and see. So a part of challenges.
When we talk about footballing, we have divisions. We have 3rd division, 2nd division, 3rd division before you move to Premier. In terms of the Quick Vision Football Club, what division are you playing and what division do you intend to start with?
Okay, we have started 3rd division. This is our 3rd division. But start this is Ghana League, no answer na ebe when you there start with 3rd division. It's the 3rd division you start this year.
How do you see the 3rd division playing? No, I shall so. I share Gumedia says 2024 year to me shasi. I can register, and I'm an Apple register. So I can register, sir. I want to come by in the Bashaw division or Bonum.
Okay. We are register Quick Vision Football Club. We are register under the GFA. And see, 2nd division was started quite recent. Into 3rd division will start very soon. You are big crampono, Muko, another meeting, RFA, concerning this 3rd division program. Yeah.
When you talk about RFA, Regional Football Association, in terms of emerging communication, leadership, quick division or one, because everybody baby know RFA more problem until you have the markers on. Until actually RFA, when I work a count to or a quick division to Munu or Queen narrative.
We are now learning a lot from RFA because we share the year can starting young Bobono, the position and Zama assistant Bebre. And see, Afina ma enter into football management. Mushian Zamabi Sufi. And see, Oyaza RFA no paying football, Mission Wama Yehude, Onquaya, Tumway, and so Yazamude and Kakankra and Zama Bokonim.
Yansho the number of coaches are yet to me in terms of leadership. No, my friend Manu Hunkitan with the bush and quote to my other coaches are they reliable? Who there? They have some better future of my friend Manu Gumeza another year training when I for sick training sick. We are
to my club, no coaches in my friend no everything is perfect. But minimum other clubs, one communication towards the boys. And see, in here, the coaches in the seriously, the vision they have, is very, very, very perfect. And vision way, a chirangaza. If you're more boy, you be fiha, yaboko, secondary school, vision is now, Okitawano, Monday, and yet just 3rd division, Yapariabo, Basso, and Tambia, we are talking about how was started Liberty. Actually, academies now when vision and Okitoni there, they are having the same vision. More Quick Vision on Chel Obokonim.
Reverend, yes, be there, urban there, Ericata when you are Minkita pen, Minkita or your book, a lot of players bear 10 one more Quinja, Damo Freme, or your Ghana national team, Starlight, Okakobobia. Can you provide 10 players from your players and believe them there? Which one our ball?
Exactly. I have them. I'm in your case this year. So I can't scout to fully send me teams this year because more secondary school boys. I never thought they even for them because initially, man, among them, junior perform. But me use small training grounds and friend my swab no. We have quality boys. I'm under no. Some catamonium botana. I can't even mention more than 10. Our team CCM because they are very young and ready for the task.
They are very young, ready for the task. Until them no opinion autumnal agriculture. Yeah, down you yaba. Yaba, oya the autumnal arcade no. And mama oya ashafon when I saw tuminati. Papa pay. Right, the names are no. Baby, Ebuko could do so there. Yen show aye team nara. Your bodum pempen sibia, my former to me huge jumano. I've been about chachima, the sabi, napo medinism, sabi working as some. Are we well organized in terms of them from me and a more the multi about to know general nature? I know the baby I be or how I dinner pan that we in Vicinja.
Oji Kano Yazin Zama Guguna came. Right now we have a physio, Dr. from our UCC.
Okay. Concerning
the medical staffs, Dr. Afram our UCC. That's our physio, Anna Nusu Oho. Yeguda Yenika said the Ubenya another doctor and then nurse Bisu Ozaka. And see for the medical staffs, we are well organized.
It's always football. Another Kubu, you call Nay Katanasi, Nay Siadi so about football, Sunday in the ball of one aye or ya adusia. Or send us a boko training if it's a Monday to Sunday. And then they were middle side about them from me who are Tanasi, then will learn in the class in terms of football.
Oh, yeah. Oyaza or the whole Ugunakim. And just last week, we were having a discussion that no. If you want one mental alertness, or you're quick and one. Because Odima, if you are called to Nubi for no, that Oja Bonham, see, Nanya Yaza is a good place, and we are getting the exercise weeks. Or the washing because ye Bobono, ye to con, ye shiazi, ye call classroom, ye cushiazi, Coach Hebertado, Yamin Fanny Crancy, or Mamma Shiazi Papa, Ewo Bolem, Obo Coach him no, nay 2 years or Coach him now, Mamma Shiazi, and Coach Papa Tiam, no so Senegalese coach, no so Obafam was second year as a case, no so Yamin Fanny Crancy, no so Ochama Papa, and so Mamma Hunda, Bono, on your born and could see in the Yabono Parkando. Or they ever classroom so ye be bushiazi and see Daminity Nusu Ugunaquem, you good area.
We have 26 players at your end. In terms of 26 players, the age limit starts from which age to which age. And the small ones, when you are young, when you bushia full agent, because our band they would be camp or and a binaba and a papa about from a barco. In terms of our band, there were assigned in terms of all move our name. Do you have cordial relationship with the family?
Oh yes, Ansana, Breno Crano, Yabasano, Maframano woman 14 years, is about 16 year crook who one alpha, young one can say, and now one can say, one wage may be more what's it when you want parent into your crook who wants so, young one can say. Now one of our boarding schools, your crook who head, what direction to the parents, and see having relationship with the parent is very okay and perfect.
Right, Reverend, may I share as the Quick Vision Football Club? Sir, can when you are in fear being in our day for them division, I feel already for them division, another year Bebuda, another by 2 years, 3 years, or they cover Premier Team, another 81 for training Sekiana about on Wakama, another club. Oh,
yeah, that's one day Yabo Premiership, and on your Premiership and Ankas on Sunhara. In I during the training a years no or there every year be a promotion baby or dear coyenim or send when you saw Zuma or the home of Maframano on young one cutting baby in a year and see a penny young one day. South ball was started to or ye Cape Coast. Young day Cape Coast, young producing national players baby, young shepherd producing national players baby. I born there. Say at the play beefy, I'm an orba holidays, I'm not a fee, Quick Vision Football Club, an orba holidays. And see, or you zoom day, ye bet today, young boys in Bebre, Wowo, a manana, a bin one national team, ye bet one car. Then was here, binum ways in Kanawayano.
source of funds and you feel you skate to me the crowd or na what's of you are the next here that born
on ye easy mum and kakankra I good so any in painful casa de obokodana wa bohen but on ye easy but you could yeri and kakankra.
Let's see the challenges are offered to be to me face warrior museum.
Yeah, challenges. That's one of the financial status. I want the many challenges, but one is because every morning I have to provide them breakfast, and every Friday so every morning washing soap and identity or a part of challenges. A financial problem or
Yankees Sni or Ghana football in York crack. Yes, I saw a premier. Measure you who. Yeah, call Ghana Football Association. Yeah, as I hate ya ba, what for church to Madama, me one day be a pair of boys between your friend or Yahmabido. Into near a bush only our council, if you are not a Yama Hinamodo. Yan share a Ghana Football Association. Abba born bida. Yes, I saw local teams a to me war, a crahat of folk and a quarter and a new animal to market can call me in it. Yes, are we on course or Yadan Pinyan?
Oyazin, Makare Yaden BBJ. We send my board premier 205-206 premiership. Now, my band number 2 players be like Prince Tego, Kobra Boafo, Dan Coleman, Gau Gatete, Issa Mohammed, Sheila Yasu. And then players here about 2 premiership no say, what ball match bia Ubiar Copac also, Mehum, them Sinepe and Mokomakofe. But in the Yama born not Danama, she's a gray and I send by a kind scream to say, what's a wire pain. But though there's not any wire pain behind you. And one of your cut away pain for even for all but more person, young now, ye recruit one. And some of the young Bobonasa cry, share Nigeria Football Club, answer the playing bunda while retired, no cheddar watch or born ye. But in the gun on chat, na ya retire playing so much, ye the qualities are ye. Near Zabo, your national team. It's part of the problem Ghana, ye face because our friend national team, when I say, a bohu local boys, when yan ye 8, no, what was no catch a foreign place in the war boy, and one day, and Ghana team no way. But in the young Bobonasa, ye retire young players in time. I am a woofy cinnamon time, and woofy cinnamon, sir, you whom, as Papa Biasa, once where ye was a boy and man. Into young premiership on Wassasa, Ankasa.
What about Ghana Football Association? So as I cry in your bay.
Ha, Ghana Football Association. As I said earlier, they have to step up.
Okay.
Because make more South African day. Now, answer over started league, you know. The FA and the president, you know, will contribution. There wasn't my clubs, you know. Into whether 3rd division, 2nd division, 1st division, or what not, you know. Or yeah, Azibia wasn't my one. I want my team on 1 lakh. And see, all my one boys and Kobaka the word to Kwana walk outside, you know, or yes, and Dobaka the word to come because what they need, you know, is provided. And see, all my country no leg, you know, no more day. And more the football so Azibia or the unity or the backroom. Football so Oma Ikrono Obasho. Football Nangaso or the Odon and Kabum Nem the men in Ozaba. And she said, DFA one step up na young born year, young league near. More that we are not going anywhere. Or there, young man, sister be obum. Young time in there now was scouting if it's secondary schools. What about regional games? Into regional games now, when your team was here, national team on the 17, on the 12, on the 15. But since you are Damazamania, young day, until the man can not know. Into our GFA, they have to step up and do something for the country.
GFA or Mohammed so the men are Reverend to America. Reverend, young share the zeal, the joy, the happiness. Our supporters him. Why can we bring it back?
Sure, we can bring it back. Oh, depend on the Azibia Basha say if it's soon as before. And he says so from over page woman. Now when ye as a fanagasa, share Danu Yambo Yabwe de Motion or Quay, Obiana Yanji. The Mazioma in Kofuba brain, some to one. On them or draw, what was in my team. And see, we have to change. We have to change. FA or dear Miyamudo. Now, yes, Sanzama, ama a Asafonosun when you are. Obi also na Junior and the Ghana Wobo or Koshebi. ebi wonyi TV no come make sure that oba travel far away they work bi enti say ya me mu de na ya ma enje no wamba economy ama me yan for football and politics no football one administration or one president I don't make sure that football no or condemn but say the football is your politics onkoye men one man ya adwene ye na yen sesa yen football you know na bibia ba ye fan ya me
bibia ba ye fan ya mpa Reverend you're sorry fi oya adwumezi do wafuti etimazema oya Ghana fa world show oya anapay na nkwenhyesam kankaye kwa kwato abai borobofo kwato honaba nkatena fi ana borobofo yin da kwato abai bi Reverend kwele
once a man banza na ode to aba odum bi mana obi bisam da na wom da Kristo ni eto aba na mse ho anyi Kristo o sende say kede Kristo nya wase once crisis in us we are all Christians and see Bartholomew Krawato no daba inside na mam nya be kada nto aba ada to aba say Bartholomew oba ke sua fun to aba za ada wo say to aba abato no yaza oye adwenkyere ka kya wadwen and see oya wa ma ya ma yen politics no wa yen zema bia ho yes someone ara oya adwenkyere ka kya wadwen ukokobeti na de ka kya wadwen kya wadwen wi akofi akodwen ho embunu sazo obezi amano do no wabo ebezi oya asumdwe onye de anyi wunia na anye ana ibi ne yiri na nukuna akasa because of all this politics no mama yen mfi de impinfu na owana ngasa yeto abamo no woye wo wiakra they dine together intabent na yene nuanum so ye waso no ye mama akasa ba mama da madno nsi oya adwinche na ye koche yente yen wase de ye kache hen adwin ekwa eche wadwin wi a ze epeno na evotin fefefe na akofie na akwadwino football akwoto waba ewi akofie kwadwino mo hia nde asomdwe baba oye peace na hia nyina ye hia nti asame
right yabada oye Reverend Adamate oye football manager oye Quick Vision Football Club we gwemin sim here yabada na papa that wotum na wa boa Reverend quick one because of Quick Vision nti mafama no yanyina efigbai ana da bin mfi aya outside capos
for now no kasana no ofigbai kana kasana no ofigbai minye bi wo ekwan brafo yo capos center of capos na nyamransa na 4-5 place bia wonfi capos when na match team no
right eba the Reverend as papa yenda no butwetu ndo babefia ofebere to be button side friend no aba na abobo nkomo na mom Quick Vision Football Club will need more support from you as leaders eye payin eye dwumaku no gaka ho aba mazampa to jesi mahuna na oboboa na kire awo na sponsor ho jesis ho neziban oboboa ma ho so otum amia ho no wa yedwumadzen otum no da aboa. Let's make football very beautiful in Cape Coast and in Central Region, Ghana as a whole. Yama mazene fi yentum ni yambwa. Sena yesha si ye ball Ghana han. Acha reverence awo yusum pa. Then fibia wo hine yimno. Na chede the football club a okita waye aye edwumakase na wako hono papa. Tinda so nkoba kwam Reverend Robert Adamate ebana papa da oba na himbo chonkomom. The master the champion producer, Professor Kwamina Bamfeji, Prof. Yemisha Papa, da anape abwa meyebudo dem pempesi. Richard, ebadawasi aye banis. Na the cameras aya ade aye dombiara chief driver obi abedanasi. Nemo chane sude debiara for Oyewo TV, for to your Coastal TV, na if you want to momwa. Sponsors no butum na frɛ 0244 0244 026 432 0244 026 432 0244 026 432 Fra menyo bezum komo na ye honomboa Mezenezi Omar bin Abdallah ayatum fa na pia ebefre besenesia bye bye.